Hey, what's good, YouTube? Just showing you that this lamp I had since I was a kid. I forgot how young I had this lamp. I think about 2 or 3 years old. But anyway, ever since then, yeah, I got to address some repairs on here, like the back of the helmet here has to be repaired, and this actually, I don't know why I done that when I was a kid, but that's actually white out. Um, let's see, I still have one. It was this stuff here, this white out. Ain't what it we used to call back then, but yeah, but that I'm gonna leave on there because that's actually my signature. Um, yep. So I'm gonna clean it. I'm not gonna retrobrite it, anything like that. I'm just gonna keep it as it is. I'm just gonna address the damage there. This come from time, so it is what it is. It's about old as me, I believe. I think it's about 45-year-old. I think it's a 1980, I think, but I may have to look up more info on that. Yeah, I put a newer bulb on there, and actually, I replaced the shade a while ago. It's not the original shade for it. Um, yeah, the receptacle right here, the fixture itself, I have some new ones. Now, this one, this lamp originally had the exact one, so I could easily get the gold color one, but it did came with this originally. When I was a teenager, I had replaced that a while ago with a used receptacle here, or fixture. Um, but what I want to do, I want to keep the inside part because the original was all black, the switch all black, but see, this is black and red here. It actually matched the lines on this helmet, so I'm gonna do whatever I can to keep this on here and just replace the housing and put it into the new housing here. And far as the plug, yeah, the plug is far gone. So yeah, this is actually far gone. So this one, yeah, they're gonna be tossing trash. It's all brittled up and no use for it. It's trash. And I have a brand new plug here. Yeah, bought that from hardware store. I ordered this one especially from Amazon because hardware store only has the gold color, I mean the brass color lamp receptacle. So, or lamp socket. I say receptacle, socket. I think I got the terminology wrong, but it's a light socket. But I want to keep the original socket because they got the two chrome colors and they're really hard to find. So, but this part, I'm changing this, and I'm gonna polish this part right here, make it chrome again. And yes, I'm gonna continue using this lamp shade unless I find something better. And yeah, got the bulb there, and look out for the future video where I'm in the middle working on it, and after restore it. Thanks for watching. Will you please subscribe? I'll be grateful of that. And have a nice day. Oh yeah, have a nice Memorial Day.